Product link in first comment.
This is a portable washing machine. It comes with the plug to plug it into any American outlet. Okay. It also comes with the cord, which you can use to plug into a water source. And first of all, you're going to unscrew the part that comes with it so that you can then attach it and make it to the right size when you put it on, and then you can attach it with this to any sink, just like that. Then it comes with the water drain tube here on the back, so you can adjust that to put it in the sink. And once you plug it in and you plug in the water, then you're just going to turn it on with the power switch here, and then you can adjust the water level and the program. Okay, so once I have this connected, I gotta make sure I tighten it with a screwdriver so that it's really tight. Have the water pipe in here for draining, and I have it plugged in. Then turn it on, and it shows 6 liters. Then we're gonna select water level. You can go 6, 7, 8, all the way from 1 liters to 8 liters. Okay, so I'm just gonna do 6 liters. You can keep it right there. And then we're gonna press play. We're gonna turn on the water and only use cold water. So once I turn the water on the sink, then it's gonna come through and start filling. The water is filling inside the tank. So it's still filling the tank, and then we'll just wait till it gets to the next cycle and show you how it works. So now it's in the washing and spinning mode. You can see it spinning, and it also shows how much time is left. 42 minutes. So there you go. Portable washing machine. You can take it on the go with you. Up to 7.8 liters can be washed in this one spot. And you can also change the programs, change the amount of dry time, and change the reserve program so that it can reserve up to an hour or more